A for apple. Apple is a fruit. Apple is red and sweet. I like apple. B for ball. A ball is round. I play with a ball. C for cat. Cat is cute. Cat says meow. Ow. E for dog. Dog is loyal. Dog is my friend.
E for elephant. Elephant is big and strong.
And F for fish. Fish lives in water. G for goat. Goat eats grass. H for hen. Hen gives eggs. I for ice cream. Ice cream is sweet.
J for joker. Joker makes us laugh.
K for kite. Kite flies high.
L for lion. Lion is brave.
M for mango. Mango is tame.
N for nest. Bird lives in nest.
O for orange. Orange is healthy.
P for parrot. Parrot can talk.
Q, queen. Queen wears a crown.
Cause. R for rabbit. Rabbit runs fast.
S for sun. Sun gives us light.
T for tiger. Tiger is strong.
U for umbrella. Umbrella saves us from rain. V for van. Van is a vehicle. W for watch. Watch shows time. XUX for x-ray. X-ray shows bones. Y for yak. Yak lives in cold places.
D. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white lines.
Amazing! You learned English A to Z with SpongeBob. Like, share, and subscribe.